Hi there, it's James bringing you the walk around of the 330e Msport petrol hybrid here at Your Next Cars. We're going to take a walk around the exterior whilst we'll talk you through some of the features and options. Then of course we'll make our way onto the interior features and options. So of course starting with the exterior, where we have the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the half satin and half gloss, as you can see, as we'll make our way around having a look around the vehicle. Wheel option on this vehicle is the stunning 19-inch Msport alloy wheels, which are in the original bi-orbit grey and diamond cut outer faces. This particular 330e Msport does have some very nice options, indeed including the Msport Plus pack. So we do get the stunning Msport brake package on the front and rear, as you can see there by the much larger front, and we'll take a look at the rear brakes in a moment. So of course, being a petrol hybrid, hence why we've got that secondary fuel, what looks like a fuel filler cap on the front. This is of course where you'll charge the vehicle with the provided Delphi BMW charging cable, which we'll take a quick glance at in a moment. So this can be charged up using a normal 3-pin plug. And of course, should you choose to come and view the vehicle, we will go through all of the charging procedures and capabilities of the 330e in a bit more detail. For the purpose of keeping the video short and sweet, we're just going to be talking around the vehicle features. However, I will give you a few quick tips. So you can expect anywhere of up to 25 to 30 mile range according to BMW's current figures, and of course that does depend on the driving style and driving conditions. Interior on this vehicle is the stunning red Dakota leather, as you can see there, and we've also got the heated seat function alongside having the electric lumbar. We've also got the Harman kardon surround sound with Logic 7. A very clean exterior and interior on this vehicle. We've also got the stunning privacy glass, and we'll take a quick glance at the rear seats now, where of course you find the Isofix rear bench and that centerfold armrest as well. Another nice feature on the eDrive models is the eDrive badging on both rear quarters, and being an M Sport model you get the lovely gloss black surrounds around the rear windows as well. Moving around to the rear of the car, where of course once again we have the 330e badging. And we'll take a look at the boot space. Again, this is one of the often asked questions. What is the boot space like on the eDrives? And of course, because this is where all of the batteries and battery capabilities are stored, I have just had to nick away a little bit of the boot depth. However, it doesn't take away too much. And thankfully, on this particular vehicle we're looking at here, we do have the split folding seat option. So we do retain a little bit more space indeed. This is the charging cable. And as you can see there, it's the BMW Delphi cable. And we can simply use a normal 3-pin plug or one of the fast chargers that you are seeing dotted up at service stations and becoming more of a regular thing dotted in and around towns and cities. Another quick tip is the general charging time. So from stone dead flat, you can expect on a normal 3-pin household plug from anywhere from about 3 to 4 hours, depending on what other things are being used on that household circuit. And of course it will also depend if you're using it directly or through an extension lead, because that also does depend on the resistance going through and into the vehicle. Quick glance at the rear now, and as you can see, that stunning red Dakota leather working very nicely with the mineral grey and of course the black of the YNC Mperformance body styling. And we're going to head on into the driver's seat now, and I'm going to take a seat and go through all of the interior features and options, which this car has a lot of. So that is the vehicle started, and that is another thing that does take a bit of getting used to, the vehicle not making any noise once you start the car, because obviously it is part electric and part petrol. We've also got the superb professional wide navigation and media, and we'll take a look first of all at the navigation screen. So as you can see there, we'll also head on over to the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. Media wise, you've got DAB and a wide array of different multimedia inputs. The heated seat function, which we've already gone over. Another nice rare option on this particular vehicle is the heated steering wheel, as you can see there. So the outer rim of the steering wheel will become nice and warm for you, especially nice this time of year. We've got the sports gearbox in this vehicle. It is a 7-speed in the 330es as opposed to the normal 8-speed sport gearbox in the other variants. And we've also got the cruise control with speed limiter function, voice control and volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 67,000 miles, and we've got all of the service record and service history on the iDrive. And as you can see there, it's not due an engine oil change for 15,000 miles, and we've got the service recorded stamps from BMW, as you can see there. and the previous service was done at 61723, so fairly recently, where it had a major service, including all of the filters and the brake fluid as well. Okay, so in summary, a very nicely spec'd 330e M Sport with the M Sport Plus pack, and a very nice colour combination of the mineral grey and red Dakota leather, and of course not forgetting the black of the YNC Mperformance body styling. We do of course hope you found the walk around video useful, and of course we will be happy to answer all of your questions in regards to the eDrive range, should you choose to come and view the vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.